world inching towards a nuclear war. With two global wars underway in the world, Russia-Ukraine on one hand and Israel-Hamas on the other, the geopolitical compass is moving rapidly. So as threats multiply, new alliances seem to be forming, cementing new bonds between the world powers. Isolated due to sanctions imposed by the West, Russia is now turning to Iran, China, and North Korea. It is a cause of worry for the United States and allies. The US, with all its might, has been backing Ukraine in the war, from military support to financial aid. Kyiv has been fighting the war, standing on the West's shoulders. This has pushed Russia closer to China and North Korea. Meanwhile, Israel has been receiving the backing of West in its war against Hamas, which has pushed Iran, which is fighting a proxy war against Israel, towards Russia as well. The outcome of the Russia-Ukraine war, which is currently in its third year, could reset the global order. China has been supporting Russia's war efforts, although it is directly not exporting weapons yet. The help often comes in the form of semiconductor chips, chemical components for its explosives, machine tools, and advanced technology. This has helped Russia to ramp up production of weapons, especially tanks. Moreover, ever since the war began, China has emerged as a key economic, technological, and energy partner for Russia. If we talk numbers, in 2023, Russia was China's largest source of crude oil, earning the country tens of billions of dollars. In terms of economic ties, Russia-China trade reached a record $240 billion in 2023. Moreover, North Korea has been providing ammunition and ballistic missiles to Russia. In return, North Korea has won Russian support at the UNSC and significant access to Russian oil. Moscow and Pyongyang also signed a security pact in June. Under the deal, both the countries promised mutual assistance in the event of aggression. The deal contains echoes from the Cold War era. Moreover, North Korea has called the United States military aid to Ukraine an incredible mistake, further warning Washington that it's playing with fire against a nuclear superpower, Russia. While Tehran is providing short-range ballistic missiles, including some Fateh 110 family and armed drones to Moscow, these growing relationships help these countries to evade sanctions and also veto US-led initiatives at the UNSC. With military ties growing between Russia, Iran, China, and North Korea, the world seems to be sitting on a ticking bomb, which could burst into a larger conflict either in Europe or in the Pacific, and lead to change in the global balance of power. Remember, it was the establishment of the Axis of Power in the 1930s that paved the way for the Second World War. It was their common hatred towards the West that united Germany, Italy, and Japan. So is the stage being set for the Third War? Only time will tell. Bureau Report, India Today Global.